gonna do a simple grilled corn. We're just gonna put the corn directly on the grill without any seasoning. We just want to mark it up a little bit, get a little bit of a char, get that good sizzle, and after we cook it is when the magic happens. We're gonna do a little bit of a Santa Maria style butter. All we take is your simple unsalted butter. It's been softened, left at room temperature for probably an hour or so. We're gonna take our savory Santa Maria style seasoning, packed with herbs and spices, so you really get a lot of additional flavor in whatever you're gonna finish off with the butter. But now we're gonna give them a lot of love with our Santa Maria butter.